morning, primary school. It's Friday, May 11th, and it's Day E. I'm Lea.
And I'm Mai. And here are your morning announcements. Today, the upper primary assembly will be led by 4D. Please arrive on time and be mindful while entering the MPR.
Today is the last day for the primary readathon, wash donation, sports equipment donation to room 311, used blankets and jackets donation to room 201. Thanks for all of your help.
Good luck to our Stingrays this weekend as they participate in the ISHCMC Invitational.
MYP Production's Canterbury Tales will have their last show tonight at 6 p.m. in the secondary theaters. Tickets on sale at primary reception.
Shout out loud and join ISHCMC at the 5K Color Me Run 2018 this Saturday, May 12th. There is a special ISHCMC discount code which can be found in My ISHCMC.
Reusable plastic cups in the canteen have been provided by the school for students who have forgotten their water bottles. The message written on the cups is clear: use, wash, return. But unfortunately, students have been using the cups and returning them without washing them, or leaving them on tables, or taking them away together. We have already lost 43 cups. Please follow the directions. Thank you.
Here's the message from EE about picking up your rubbish. Check it out.
Don't throw rubbish on the floor, please. Super Planet Jump Rescue!
Makerspace is open to grade 1, 2, and 3 today at morning recess.
Joke of the day: what animal can jump higher than a house?
What?
All of them. Houses can't jump.
Random fact of the day. On average, there are 200 seeds on a strawberry.
The mindfulness quote of the day is: change is inevitable. Growth is optional. John C. Maxwell.
That's it for today's morning announcement. Have a fantastic Friday.